fuel pump, everything.
I heard the pump, yeah.
Like if I never did nothing to it. I brought a Phillips just in case I want to get some bolts. Then I brought a 10 just in case I want to steal some bolts. And I brought wire cutter just in case I want to steal wires.
So in other words, guys, we are at the mall. Oh, it feels so good to come to the mall. Look at this big ass car. Shit's ancient. Damn! This dude just be appearing and disappearing in the most fucking randomest places. Put up my sleeves so I can at least get some kind of tan because they're an even color. Okay, well, the other junkyard didn't have any eclipses at all. So we came to its neighbor. And they've got a few. 2 actually, and the rest are Sebring. Alright, last eclipse. Towing Gallant Sebring Coupe. This one's a 99. Oh yeah, never mind.
This one don't work.
This one's a no-go.
Next one.
So we had to come to its neighboring partner to find any clips because they've got some here. But god damn, the sun today. I'm very sensitive. So I'm super itchy already. It's burning. Ow.
Good thing I'm not gonna use these ones. Hey. I should have came here and got this motherfucker. Shit all nice, huh? Shit clean as good.
Well, this one's a different size than what somebody over here brought, but it's okay. Oh god. Hulk.
No, I can bring that. I thought it was gonna be the same as the other one. You telling me they make more different all the time?
I guess so. Maybe yours was changed. And they put the wrong bolts. Okay, so just finished with junkyard number 2. I'm hot, I'm sweaty.
Junkyard number 2, at least we got what we needed. And the little washes. It's for my shifting bushings.
New shifter bushings.
Baby.
Okay, well, one day successful, as I'm sure the rest of the world knows that we are supposed to be self-isolating.
Right.
Oh, my skin hurts. What's the matter? When I have too much sun.
Your skin is weak, buddy.
It's all like...
My skin just gets dark.
I'm not flexing. But yeah, look at my arm, man. Like,
Not flexing, but
I can't even be outside.
not flexing, but it's a little windy that way.
I can't even be outside in the sun because
Where's the direction going back? I think it's going back that way.
Yes. Why are you back on the floor with a wad of hair?
Because I don't know, the car's not running right, like I said.
So of course,
Oh, no, I'm going back
double checking his work.
Yeah, pretty much what I'm doing. So that one's correct.
It's having some kind of weird idle issue.
Yeah.
So it dies out. But everything else is fine. And you found a few loose wires, a wire.
Well, one of them came off. I don't know if that one's a problem, and one of them I didn't plug in because I forgot where the fuck it went to.
So there goes 2 possibilities.
Yeah.
So I had to come back because we needed a few. He needed a few wires. And in the search, we found a newcomer.
Alright, let's start setting.
This thing's so new to the junkyard, they haven't even taken the keys yet. Let's see clips. Escalade. Oh, it says this breaks all the time. We got your fix. Broken handle? No worries. Problem solved. 2 wires needed to be replaced, and you went and got your replacements, right?
Yeah. Well,
Luckily, close enough. You almost cut one way too short. Somebody had already rewired the car that we pulled the replacement plugs from, and wired it to the correct color.
all of them are not the same, like all the cars.
Show me real quick where.
Oh, this is for the camera. Or the cancels.
So a few inches, and you wouldn't have gotten this part right here to help you identify the colors, because they're totally different colors.
Fuck. All finished up, taping it up. So I be looking right now. These are all the ones that are gonna go to the bay. So far, we got all the wires ran through the firewall. This should all be good. I double checked all of them, so the car should be. Well, I don't know. It might not even work, but whatever. Sorry, my filming skills are whack because I don't really do this. But yeah, all the wires got ran through. That's how it's looking right now. Just gotta finish wiring them up. I'm gonna stop for right now. But everything is ran. Now we just gotta run them and plug them. And after that, we should be good to turn it on again. Looks like a mess right now.
Tomato.
Walking breezy. That's how we looking right there. A mess. It's alright though. When I put the glove box, I think it should like hide some of it. We got everything plugged in. Looks the same, huh? POS. Not the nicest tuck, but whatever. It's my first time ever doing it. I just went as I go. I learned as I did. Ready to start it up. I don't know. We'll see if it fixes the problem. Didn't show a video before this, but every time I turn around, the car idle and I don't want to die. So, see if it does it. Oh, gotta connect the battery. Okay, connected. Got fuel. Alright, turned on right away. Let's check it out.
Got everybody out and about.
But it's a nice day.
Nice
get car
day.
parts.
to rip out some ports.
Because we have a piece of shit that we're probably gonna be here again. Because if we keep it, it's gonna be broken again.
Another million times.
Yeah. So guess what? I'll probably be here back the next weekend.
If you have any clips and you know this drop.
When I'm
Well, quit jinxing it. Quit saying what you need. How often do you ever find an RSX at a junkyard? Well, damn.
I know.
I finally found the Eclipse that has it.
Today we went to the junkyard and we picked up ourselves a idle control thingy because on YouTube yesterday and I looked it up and most of them had the same issue, so I'm just gonna switch them out and see if that helps and the car doesn't die or some shit. All right, well, hopefully it idles fine. Yeah, we didn't fix shit. Well, oop, I almost left the door open. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with it. I don't know. But we'll figure it out. Oh well.
I know, perfect weather, perfect rain, perfect drinks. Cheers, baby.
Perfect timing for everything. We're having tall cans. Yeah, they're just Arizonas.